Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Roblox restarting. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu, and then type Roblox, open file location, right? Then Roblox player, select, right click, go to open file location, and then make sure to select a Roblox player beta, right click, properties, go to compatibility, and make sure these are enabled. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as the admin. Click on apply and then OK. I want you to close this, but on the same folder right over here, click the folder path, or we need to copy this, right? Then copy, Control C, and minimize this. Then we need to go to your virus, or what I mean is virus and threat section. Click on it. Go to this section, virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Scroll down until you see exclusions. So just click over here, press yes, and then click on add an exclusion. So we're going to select a file. We just basically need to click here and then paste our file path we just selected earlier. Hit enter and then select Roblox player beta and then click on open or hit enter. And that's it. It is now showing up over here, and pretty much you've done everything to make sure that your Roblox will no longer experience this issue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.